Welcome to 302 Warren Drive, centrally located in the Forest Knolls neighborhood of San Francisco. This amazing home has been beautifully renovated with meticulous attention to detail. I'm so excited to show you around. Let's head inside. The atrium of this home is magnificent. Built in 1990, this beautifully remodeled and fully detached single-family home offers approximately 3,900 square feet of living space with distant views of the Golden Gate Bridge, Marin Headlands, and Pacific Ocean. Tucked amongst the trees and Forest Knolls, it's filled with large windows and skylights that flood the interiors with natural light. The thoughtful split-bedroom floor plan includes 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a versatile top-floor den or home office opening to an expansive deck. Brand new finishes including hardwood floors, bathrooms, countertops, windows, lighting, and siding add warmth and refinement. The main level features a dramatic foyer with soaring ceilings and skylit atrium, plus elegant entertaining spaces, including a spacious living room with gas fireplace, a formal dining room that's nicely elevated and enhanced with soft modern lighting. And across the entry, double doors open to a spacious kitchen with new Bosch appliances, quartz countertops, ample cabinetry, and peninsula seating. It opens to a bright breakfast area perfect for casual meals or homework. Outdoors, expansive decks, a patio, and new landscaping extend the living experience. The backyard deck is a true delight, bathed in morning sun, creating the perfect spot for coffee or relaxation. The oversized primary suite offers a sitting area, peekaboo views, large walk-in closets, and a spa-like bath with soaking tub, double vanity, and dual head shower. Additional bedrooms are generously sized, including 1 ensuite guest bedroom. The upper level offers 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bath with shower over tub, and a versatile den or home office. The large deck with a fully walkable skylight spans the full length of the home, creating an incredible indoor-outdoor connection and offers sweeping views of the surrounding neighborhoods. A 2-car side-by-side garage with interior access completes the home. All set in Forest Knolls, a hidden retreat that feels like the countryside in the city, bordered by Mount Sutro Open Space Reserve with miles of scenic trails, neighborhood favorites like Tank Hill and Twin Peaks, and easy access to Golden Gate Park, UCSF, and the shops and dining of the Inner Sunset, Cole Valley, and West Portal. Thank you for taking the tour of this wonderful home. For more information or to make an appointment for a private showing, call, text, or email me.